lo recordaré para siempre. Muchísimas gracias.
I'm so happy to be here. It's an honor for me. Muito obrigada.
C'est qu'à l'époque, quand je jouais, j'étais totalement identifié au metteur en scène avec lequel je jouais. Donc la question que pose Jean, c'est comment je le percevais. J'étais un tout petit peu le double de Jean-Luc comme personnage. J'étais identifié à lui avec son romantisme, son côté un petit peu au dehors du monde, son côté voyeur et inventif du cinéma, comme j'étais identifié ensuite dans Les Douanelles à François Truffaut, et on ne pouvait accéder à l'œuvre sentimentale, à la vie sentimentale de François qu'à travers le personnage d'Antoine Douanel, et comme quand je tournais avec Jean Eustache, je ressemblais aussi à Jean Eustache dans La Maman et la Putain, parce que j'étais extrêmement identifié au metteur en scène qui faisait le film. Donc là, j'étais identifié au côté très romantique de Jean-Luc pendant le tournage. On se connaissait depuis tellement longtemps, mais ce qui est à noter, c'est que les 400 coups masculins-féminins, je devenais l'acteur iconographique de la nouvelle taille. Voilà, même encore aujourd'hui. Ça, c'est important dans l'histoire du cinéma.
J'affirme et je confirme.
El sueño de todo director. Todo director tiene que tener siempre en su carrera una película así como esta, donde trabajas con una estrella, tienes un presupuesto alto y viajas por toda España con decorados y todo te lo dicen que sí, ¿eh? Pues muchas gracias por venir, espero que os guste la película y que disfrutéis de ella. Y si no, pues lo siento, ¿eh? Un abrazo a todos y muchas gracias.
It's a very simple story. It's a little bit of my life, you know. I was a boxer when I was very young. My nose was broken, my eyebrows were broken, so at least and I wasn't a good boxer, by the way, you know. I hope you will enjoy the film. It's an old movie, it's black and white, but remember it was made by a very young man. Thank you.
The main characteristic of big movies is they lose the soul. Movies are difficult to keep the I would say the pace, to keep the smell of time, to keep the soul of the people who you put together, to get musicality and the rhythm, and to keep the story being interesting. I think this film belongs to, unfortunately, to the previous century, which was also the time when it was made. I was ending century with the strength of the mixture of what Peter Handke called once very successfully, it's the mixture of Shakespeare and Marx Brothers. And I think this is a good definition of the cinema that I was doing all my life.
Atiq, for him, was so clear about what he wanted, and Atiq has an amazing knowledge of women, and I always ask him how, everybody asks him, how do you know women so well?
Je n'imaginais pas à ce moment-là ni qu'il deviendrait ce qu'il est, ni que j'étais un critique de cinéma un petit peu crispé, comme ça, les cahiers du cinéma, et je n'imaginais pas que je réaliserais un jour des films. Je crois qu'il ne croyait pas que je réaliserais un jour des films, et je n'imaginais pas non plus que j'aurais des enfants et que je ferais un jour un film dont ma fille, devenue actrice, serait l'actrice principale.
This is an amazing festival, the people being honored here, having these retrospectives of Godard, of Kusturica, of Skolimowski, Pascal Bonitzer. This is fantastic. I got to walk around twice now, sit down and talk with Jean-Pierre Léaud, you know. It's like a dream to me. And so many wonderful people here. It's fantastic. So the whole atmosphere here is kind of anti-business of film. It's celebrating the joy of it, you know, the beauty of it. So, wow, what a relief, what a nice place to be. Thank you for having me.
nós tentámos ir não tanto pelo lado externo da coisa, mas viver o inferno dentro da cabeça da pessoa, e neste caso dentro da cabeça da Sónia, e que tivemos que partilhar e misturar as nossas cabeças, nós as duas, com uma terceira pessoa, não é?
It's easier, you know, sometimes to answer some questions about your own life just by watching in the dark somebody else's story on screen. You're safe. You're on the safe side. You see that it's about you, but it's not you on the screen. So it's easier for people sometimes to do this. But I make this kind of cinema which aims to have life and reality as an inspiration and not cinema.
Todo bossa nova. Mi primer disco fue todo en portugués. No lo hablo, pero lo canto muy bien.
Je pense que Godard, lui, c'est le plus moderne de tous. C'est pas la peine de chercher plus loin. Il est plus moderne que n'importe qui, je pense. Et surtout là, avec ce qu'il a fait, un adieu au langage en 3D, il est encore en train d'inventer des choses, voyez-vous, pour un avenir cinématographique. Il est encore, je pense que c'est le plus grand chercheur, je pense que c'est Einstein du cinéma, et donc il cherche, il élabore quelque chose pour l'avenir.
Delarue wrote, he scored the entire film, and Godard took one melody, he threw everything out, and he repeated the same melody over and over again, like the most emotional theme. He just took the 3 or 4 minute piece of music and he repeated it again and again and again. And it's one of those ambiguous things, because in a sense he was undermining it by treating it that way, but it ends up being incredibly moving. Yeah.
Well, Godard has this famous provocation where he says that he only kind of picks up books in his shelf and he reads like a page or two, like he doesn't read complete books. And I feel like it's the same kind of incompleteness, or, you know, like cast a philosopher, have him say a few things and kind of leave it at that. I don't know if it's more more profound than that, you know.
Donc ce cinéma de Godard est admirablement exprimé dans ce film. Donc revoyez-le sous l'angle politique, revoyez-le sous l'angle cinématographique, revoyez-le aussi tout simplement sur une très belle histoire d'amour, comme toujours chez Godard, car après tout l'amour ça fait partie de la vie, et c'est même le seul moment où la vie est réellement présente. Voilà.
Mon don est peut-être c'est pas le don de tous, c'est ma maladie. Mais je tiens à ma maladie. Il y a tellement de gens qui sont malades, et je me dis toujours, mes maladies sont comme moi, un peu moins offensif que la maladie des autres.
Et
tu voulais dire que c'est terminé ou ça suffit? Non.
Non. Bon, moi, je ne voulais pas faire la conversation seule, donc si tu veux...
Ces images, son imaginaire, son monde intérieur, et j'ai mis du temps à apprendre à être avec cette femme qui n'est pas une femme, mais beaucoup de femmes qui sont décrites là, qui parlent, beaucoup de femmes, et aussi sûrement des hommes, et sûrement l'auteur aussi, Peter Handke.
The beauty can be very boring because it's just 5 minutes of life, and if the beauty is just beauty, everything becomes so boring. So, and I hope I have something else.
I think I gave them probably the biggest nightmare of a soundtrack to clear. How many songs were there?
32.
This is based on a true story. This is based on a 19-year-old soldier who found a captain's uniform, put it on, impersonated a captain, and because this was at a time, this was the last 2 weeks of World War II, where any soldier who was caught by himself was shot on sight as a deserter.
This is called High Whoosh. when the crowd of Chinese girls clamored for my autograph, I gave it happily, stunned, in a sort of calligraphic script, as if I were writing in Chinese on a long scroll that called for a long unrolling of my name, ending with a fluid whoosh across the sky, and up I went into the stars.
I'm so honored that he's here and that he contributed this. Shut up. This essence of the film. So seriously, and he gave. Maybe some of you were there last night, a beautiful reading of some of his stuff. When Ron came to our set, our whole crew, because we had read the script, and there's a lot about poetry in the script, and everyone was very excited, you know, Ron Padgett, he's coming to watch us work, you know. It was
a real shock for me.
Yeah, but it was like for us, like a rock star's coming on our set, you know. And I said, just don't ask him for money.
Ondas. O espectro do desejo ergue-se de trás do horizonte. O lugar é um navio para os sonhos que não vêm nem da velhice nem da infância. O instante é um arco-íris. Os seus pés são de neblina, a sua cabeça uma gaivota perdida.
لا تقولوا جننت جنوني أحلامكم أتينا ورسمنا الحقول جسدا يتفتح كنا نقول لو نجيء ونغتصب الكون.
Sono proprio felice che questa sera vediamo questo film che io non ho mai visto, forse ne ho visto dei frammenti, ma ed è un piacere che si possa dedicare tanto tempo e tanta vita a Beckett, perché se lo merita, è un vero genio.
Ma dico, oh, ma questo è fantastico! Coraggio, caro, mettici un po' di fuoco, io cercherò di tenerti allegro intanto. E metti, vuoi Willy? O è qualcos'altro? Vuoi toccare la mia faccia di nuovo? È un bacio che vuoi Willy? O è qualcos'altro?
Moi, il y a très longtemps que je ne le voyais pas, et aujourd'hui, j'ai été très intéressée, et j'ai bien aimé. Aujourd'hui, j'ai bien aimé. En principe, avant, je me sentais assez gênée, parce que je suis trop filmée dans ce film. Et je me répète un peu, non, c'est pas, le film n'est pas sur moi.
C'est
aussi
sur la relation.
Mais aujourd'hui, je trouvais pas mal.